DNA Cleaning Products has launched a drive to support your current or former domestic worker. This world phenomenon, the coronavirus, has made us realize how quickly the world can change, and it is during times like these that we can lend a helping hand to those who ask for our help. DNA Cleaning Products supplies natural cleaning products from EarthSap. These products are environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and have never been tested on animals. The best part? Our cleaning products box gets delivered to your door. What makes this gesture even more special? We both support your domestic worker with every purchase. DNA Cleaning Products pays your domestic worker a small commission in order to support them during challenging times. It doesn't cost you any extra. When you use their unique DNA Cleaning Products code when purchasing your cleaning products, they earn commission. You order directly from us, no extra burden on your domestic worker. We believe charity starts at home, and this is a way to give back. Join us in our quest. Thank you. We look forward to being part of your drive to help others. Want to enjoy our products and join our domestic worker support drive in the process? Visit our online store at www.dnacleaning.shop.